Bro. Yes. I just see anything. Helicopter just turning around. They stand up to check out helicopter. They're just gonna helicopter. When a helicopter turns around. That's what a helicopter just gonna do. That's when they're gonna be behind in the West Miami. I just gonna see when a helicopter comes. Helicopter! I'll turn you around to the West Miami. Oh, that's good. I get everything. And let's go to West Miami. The helicopter came here to West Miami. Whoa! Ha ha ha. Here it comes. This one just got a helicopter turning around to the West Miami. What? Hear that? Whoa! The helicopter are turning around in the West Miami. So, oh my gosh. The helicopter right turning around to the West Miami. It was get something really important. So I want to record how a helicopter. Whoa. I see it. It's coming. He's gonna turn around. Here's on the helicopter.